Alright, today I want to go over what tools I carry for long distance rides, or just, actually I usually carry these all the time because there's so much room on this bike. So, I have a toolkit in here, my insurance info, that's built into this pocket of this Kawasaki Vaquero. I'll link all this in the description. But, I have this nice Molly, like tactical looking toolkit. And so I carry a lot more tools than I need because I'm riding with friends that have all different types of bikes. Guys on Harleys, guys on other metric bikes. So I like to be the one that has tools. So we got two different types of Allen keys, metric and standard, screwdriver. Got a nice little wrench set, 1/4 inch drive wrenches, bunch of metric sizes, some standard sizes, pliers, Sharpie, which is good, spare wrenches that came with the bike. It's like a all-in-one vice grip deal, zip ties, heat shrink, spanner wrench, or crescent wrench. So basic tools, but you can do a lot on a lot of different bikes. Gets the whole thing is to get people home. So going with that, carry spare fuel. These are two 30-ounce MSR fuel bottles, and I keep just a little bit of fuel on board. These have actually helped get guys off the highway. You know, see somebody out of gas on the highway, you can dump this in their tank, get them home. Just being a good guy, you know. Other than that, I carry tire plug kit, stop and go, and get on Amazon. I tested it before I packed it away. It works great. It's just stuff you can carry to stop a trip from ending too soon, or get in a tow truck. That being said, I do have AAA, so if you're doing long trips or going away from your house a lot, long distance, get a AAA membership with, I think it's the RV, the Premier RV, so tow motorcycles. So if something serious happens, you can still get a tow home. But I don't know, 40, 50 bucks. This is probably 40 bucks in tools to keep with you for small repairs or if your buddies have problems. Alright, catch you later.